Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Joe Norwood, and make sure you use the hashtag SatMornMakes. Make sure you use our hashtag if you'd like to join in with us, which is hashtag Two Crafters One Design. What do you need to join in with us? Well, you just need a fireplace. And when I say I love this fireplace, oh my goodness. I was just so excited that I ended up picking up this. Let me share it with you. This came from Honeybee Stamps. Right now, it's on clearance for $4. Yes, you heard that right, $4. And the stencil is $2, if I'm not mistaken. I'm almost certain, though. $6 for the whole set. Love, love, love it. I also used this set, which came from Altenew, and I want to say I got that for 99 cents from Simon Says Stamp a while ago, though. I'm also using my Creative Times black paper from this set, Wicked Night. Love that because it has a little bit of a sheen to it. Also for my Creative Time, I am using Sweet Holiday Wishes set. I'm using the dies as well as the stamp for that sentiment. Spellbinders. This set here, the Fluted Classic Rectangles. Love this set. And then some dies from my stash. What did I use to make this stencil? I used walnut stain distress oxide ink for the stone, and then for the fire I used distress fire brick red as well as fossilized amber. Love, love, love this card. I'm so excited that we decided to do a fireplace this week. And when I say I want to make this card as my Christmas card that I send out this year, although it would be easier now that I've put it together, but I'm just not going to do that. But I love this card. Oh, in the inside of the card, I use the Hero Arts, the infinity rectangles. And if I didn't mention it, UCYIMADIVA has joined in with us again this week. So everyone's links will be down below, as well as the hashtags. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.